Hello guys, it's your favorite chef and I'm here with another amazing recipe, which is the savory puff puff. It's so amazing, yummy and easy to make, and you can just literally finish this in one go. It's soft, not the hard puffs, and oh my god. And like I said, delicious. So let's get started. First of all, you'll be needing a bowl and you're going to add 2 cups of flour into the bowl, and then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of sugar. It's savory, but yeah, you'll be needing sugar for this. 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. Basically, you're just going to add all your dry ingredients together and then give it a good mix. Oh my god. Okay, so give everything a good mix. Yeah, bye bye. And then you basically going to add a tablespoon of grated ginger and garlic. Sorry, a teaspoon. And then a tablespoon of grated onions, and then 1 tablespoon of crushed pepper. I use chili pepper here. If you don't have fresh pepper, you can use cayenne pepper, and you're good to go. So here I'm adding my water. It's not warm. I'm using, oh my goodness, I'm using room temperature water, and I'll just mix everything together. Just ignore the background sound. So basically, just the way you mix your regular puffs, you're gonna mix this until it comes up together, and then beat it a little, just like that. Don't overbeat this, just so everything is well mixed and you're good to go. You definitely need to give this a try. You're gonna love it. Okay, so now after mixing, I'm going to close it and keep it in a warm place for 30 minutes, and here it is, the result. So I'm gonna start frying. When you're frying puffs, you fry in the sizzling hot oil and not just hot oil. It must be sizzling hot, the one that when you pour water on it will be like choing choing choing. That's what you want to fry your puffs in. So I don't really know, this technique is the best if you want to get perfectly round puff puff. You can use spoon, you can use, yeah, I've seen people using spoon, I've seen people using piping bag, but this is by far the method I prefer when I'm putting my puffs in the oil. And so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want more content like this. Definitely keep watching. This is my first recipe that I'm uploading for Ramadan. I will inshallah post all recipes that I have before time, so that you can have time to prep and buy things you don't have, and just have enough time to pray and do your ibadah as every other person. So just add your puffs, don't overcrowd your pots. And I'm using a pot in this video because it's white, and you will see it's more more clearer than when I'm using a black pot. That's the main reason why I am using pots in this. And don't forget, you're not going to shallow fry your puffs. You're gonna deep fry them, and in sizzling hot oil. So basically, you just be stirring here and then until they are perfectly golden brown, and you're good to go. Stay with me, I have another amazing tip for you at the end of this video. So just like that, as you can see, it's perfectly browned and golden brown. So for my small chalk blenders, for my caterers, for moms that loves putting up the lunchbox and all, you should definitely try this recipe. Your customers will definitely love it. I'm introducing this to my customers in Ramadan, and I'm sure they are going to like it. The first time I had this was in Kaduna, and they served this with chili sauce, and it was amazing. I didn't have chili sauce here, but I just decided to use yaji and for mine. You'll see that at the end of the video. So that's basically it. I'm sorry guys, you just have to, you know, manage this video with the background noise and everything. I don't have time to do another voiceover, and I'm super busy. Yeah. So when you're garnishing, your setting up the plate, tray, or whatever for your savory puffs, you should add some garnish like spring onions, chili pepper. You can even add bell peppers and you know what have you. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Comment down below. Follow me on Instagram. Please follow me on Instagram, because for short videos I'll be posting there. I'm not posting here. And Kushugo. That's it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.